Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today let me show you how to make a very delicious barbecue shrimp. Okay, so let's get right on. I have 1 red bell pepper, 1 orange, half onion that has been diced, ginger and garlic, butter, and of course our shrimp. This shrimp has been completely washed and cleaned. It's barbecue sauce, seasoning, and spicy pepper. I just mix that together and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then grab a pot. Add in your butter, a little bit of butter, and let it melt. Once it's melted, then pour in your onions. Let your onions saute for about 2 minutes. Then add all your ingredients. The peppers. Once that is fried for like a minute, pour in your shrimp, mix it together and let it cook completely. And our barbecue shrimp is ready. Guys, give this a try, y'all. I'm telling you, you will love it. Oh my god, this shrimp is so delicious. Just give it a try, okay? And come back and thank me later. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.